Hi, it's David Saddlemeyer again from Century 21 The Realty Group, and I have an incredible renovation for you located at 698 Marble Court in Fayetteville, North Carolina, convenient to I-295 and Fort Liberty. You can visit my website, davidhomesforsale.com. That's the number 4 for more information on this or any home for sale in town. And you can change video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition and not miss any of these beautiful features I'm going to point out today. We're on a big corner lot, pretty brick veneer, front porch, newer roof, 1-car garage, beautiful fresh landscaping, matches the shutters here and the front door, some serious curb appeal here, freshly painted on the exterior. Again, corner lot. Go around the corner here and look at the backyard briefly. Some shade there in the corner and brand new HVAC and ductwork as well. And let's go inside. And most of what you see on the inside is brand new as well, including the flooring, paint, fixtures. Wonderful open floor plan here with the kitchen and living room. Recessed lighting, all brand new kitchen. Door to the garage there to the right. Brand new stainless steel appliances. A fridge is en route and will be here in time for you to buy this property. Accent wall. Unique feature on this fixture here for you can put your table. Gorgeous kitchen. Attractive LVP flooring. And a closer look at the kitchen. All brand new. These countertops really pop. Big sink. Again, new windows. And looking back at the living room where we entered earlier. Brand new shaker doors here as well. Going to the bedrooms. First bedroom here. New toilet and vanity. Here's the shower and another look at the vanity. Stunning. I really like the selections in this remodel. I hope you do too. Second bedroom. And the owner's suite. Closet there, and around the corner a little more space. And a half bathroom, new toilet again, and another stunning vanity. That's brand new as well. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any property for sale, and check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.